the streetlight, pulling at the stars in the moonlight. Every time I feel you close, two hearts beating one beat faster every time that you look at me. Trying hard not to lose control.
Thank you! Aray ko! Salamat sa flight control!
Nakabahan na ako. Hi, love. As I give you this gift, gusto kong malaman mo na this gift is a symbol of my love, respect, and commitment to you. Thank you, love, for always putting me first. We met on June 1, 2021, and by June 6, sinagot na kita agad. Paano ba naman dinadaan mo ako sa pagkain?
There's an ocean between us, there's a hole in my soul, and God only knows just how
sa lahat. Gusto ko mag-thank you kay Lord kasi hindi mo lang yan. Gusto magpasalamat kay Lord dahil sa lahat ng tao sa mundo. Ikaw ang binigay niya sa akin. Hindi ko ma-imagine ang buhay ko ngayon kung hindi ikaw yung kaharap ko dito.
Crossing state lines on highways that I've never known. There's miles and miles that I've yet to go. But tell me you need me and tell me again. You wait for forever.
Chito, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife, Leslie?
Yes, Father.
Leslie, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband, Chito?
Yes, Father.
Where my heart beats faster now my lungs breathe deeper now, and you're the only reason I come home.
Love, madalas nating biro, di ba? Like sabi mo kanina, paano na lang ako kung wala ka? Pero kung tutusin nga, totoo pala siya. Paano nga ako kung wala ka? Wala sigurong magpapala sa akin na kumain. Wala ring mga asar sa akin. Ay wala din ako masasabihan ng sorry, Master.
One of the most special memories I hold is when you met Mama Litz. It was my first time introducing someone to her, and I'll never forget how you treated her with so much love. She was so happy and approve ka sa kanya bago niya tayo iwan. I'm so grateful you were able to meet her.
Where my heart beats faster now my lungs breathe deeper now, and you're the only reason I come home. And my knees get weaker now, your taste it gets sweeter now, and you're the only reason.
I learned to be strong and independent on my own. I built walls around me, never showed any tears, never allowed myself to be soft. Pero dumating ka, and you made me feel safe enough to be vulnerable. With you, I can be my strongest and weakest self and still feel loved. We've been through so much, pero tignan mo tayo ngayon. We made it here. I may not be perfect, but I will do my best to be the best wife for you. Kasi yung complete family na pinapangarap ko noon, matutupad ko na kasama ka.
You're mine forever and I'm yours. Yours till the end.
Your love saved me in ways I can never fully explain. Thank you for never giving up on me and for choosing me every single time. Nagsaad ko nga magtuon, nagyud ko Bisaya. Kay love ka, ayuti ka.
Ikaw ang greatest blessing ko, ang best friend ko, at ngayon asawa ko na. At habang buhay kong pinasasalamat kay Lord na hindi ko na kailangan magtanong ng paano na lang ako kung wala ka.